Hey, Johnny.
Hey, Johnny. It's your Uncle Bill.
And your Aunt Ney-Ney.
And?
Guess what today is? It's Cinco de Mayo.
Which is?
Your mom's birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Woo! Happy birthday, Riley. Yay!
We don't need these anymore.
Make sure you give her extra hugs today.
And kisses.
And tell her we love her. All right. What do we have today, Bill?
So I read you a book about cats. And then Aunt Ney-Ney read you a book about cats. So we're going to do the cat trifecta. And it's going to be Pete the cat and the missing cupcakes.
Ooh, maybe you guys will eat cupcakes today for your mom's birthday.
That's cool.
Maybe. Or maybe some mini bunk cakes.
All right, so I'm going to read the book, and then Aunt Ney-Ney is going to show you the book.
I guess that's what's happening.
All right, so Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. Dunners.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cupcakes.
Oh, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again.
They counted the cupcakes, lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do.
Where are these cupcakes?
I don't know, Bill.
Just they found a clue. I found a clue. Gus said, look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was a squirrel. She loves sprinkles. Squirrel said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see.
Oh my goodness.
Where are these cupcakes?
Who would have taken them? This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Help me out.
Just then, they found another clue.
Do those look like footprints, Johnny? Do you see the little footprints on the ground?
Where are these cupcakes?
I don't know, Bill. Whoops! Pete said, I bet it was an alligator. He loves to eat. Alligator said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see.
Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who?
Ooh. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know Turtle loves sweets.
I've got an idea. Turtle said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see.
Look at that little sneaky character.
Is that who's taking the cupcakes?
What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone.
There's too many cupcakes missing.
Mm-hmm.
Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue.
They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus have solved the case.
I'm so sorry. It was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none.
Oh my gosh.
Who did it?
Look at Grumpy Toad. Look how sad everyone is.
You ate all the cupcakes?
Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited. He did a happy dance. They'll show us your happy dance. Yeah.
It's my happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Kat's cupcake party.
Oh, that was nice of him. He made a mistake, but then he made more cupcakes for his friends.
So, if you're going to eat all the cupcakes, you got to bring the same amount or more later.
That is the moral of the story.
But what do we say? We say, Johnny,
We love you.
And happy birthday.
Riley.
All right. Bye-bye.